Good day guys! I'm back again for another tutorial. So almost a month I did not upload a new video. And uh, for now we're going to back to the basic. But before you watch, don't forget to share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you always updated on my latest upload video. And if you want to uh, assistance, or I can make installations for you in a lower price, so you can contact me on my contact details below. Or if you like my video, uh, if you can send some funds so that we can continue our tutorials about Vicidial. Just only a basic, not because I'm not a programmer or any web developers. So once is there, that's the only thing we can configure. So for now, when you uh, so my server is installed in AWS, so I'm using CentOS 7 for my Vicidial server. So I'll do Scratch installations. Also, I can do also cluster if you want to hire me for the installation. So once you log in and already configured your admin, so when you're first logged in, so you need to update your password, and then once you submit, you need to log in again, then you will go to the admin dashboard. So once you are in the admin dashboard, you need to go to the user, and then you need to update your user admin. For the admin, super admin, always at level 9. Okay. And then for this one, when you on first login, so you need to modify all this to 1 for the super admin. Okay. All the permission on the admin interface option. Set it to 1. Okay. And don't forget to put this one, API access to 1. And for the API list restriction, so don't change it. Don't change it. So remain it to 0. So it means disabled. And also for API only user listed. Once you change this one to 1, you cannot able to log into the admin interface. And also this one, okay, then click the submit. So once you already submit, you can now able to access all the functions for the admin side. Okay, you can see here, you can now add a new user. You can create and campaign. So here you can add a new campaign, and then this one for the list. Okay, you can add a list for your campaign, script, filters, and other stuff. Then you can create a group. For example, you want to group your agent or campaign, different groups, inbound if you have an inbound DID or direct dial number, and all menus. And also you can create a user group if you are use more user with different campaigns, so that once they log in, they did not see any other campaign. Remote agents, and the last is the admin settings. Okay, you have so now for the admin settings. And now first we need to create our phones. So you need to go, if you are on the admin panel, you need to go to the admin and then phones. So for this one, you will see this the two phone, or and then you need to click add. Then for example, agent 1000. So for this one, for the dial plan number, it's 1000, 1000. And for the agent screen, if you want to use this for the 1000 only. So I prefer this one. And also for the login and password and registration password, agent screen and login password, it will be used for your agent screen panel. For the registration password, this one is used for softphone. So when you don't have a softphone or to configure your softphone, you need to registration. Okay, and just put for the agent name if you want to add the agent. Okay, then submit. Now you have created an first agent. Okay, and for the first agent, you need also, once you have created an phone extensions, so you need to make your user at user, and then for the username, user number, or you can use mixed number and letters. Don't use any special characters. For the password, you can type any password and you can put your agent name. For the user level, for the agent, it should be all user 1. And group, if you have created a group, you can assign your group for the agent. So this one you can add this one. So from here you can check the phone. So agent screen login and the phone login should be same. Okay. So this is sample only. You can modify all the details are inputted on this. So then submit, and now you have created an agent. Okay. So after you created an agent, you need to create a campaign. So add a new campaign. So for example, just put test on here. Okay. And then for the dial level, you can change this one. For the hooper, you can change to you can make it 5,000 if you have a lot of more leads to upload. Auto dial level, if you do sa outbound call, it upload leads, and but if how many dial level or dial number will process. Okay, so once they have answered, which agent will get the call first. So if you can set random, or if the agent longest wait time. Okay, and the time of the campaign. So you can set what time of your call center start and end, so that after an hour, so your agent can not able to log in. Okay, then submit. So you have now created an Vicidial and campaign. Okay, so so after that, you can now test if you can able to log in your agent. Okay. Yes, my agent 1000. So phone login and password, and username and password, and then select the campaign. Okay, then submit. So you cannot able to log in because there is no leads available or dialable number in your campaign. So for that, you can create a leads or for temporarily you can upload the leads or just go to the list, okay, and then add a new list, okay. For example, this 1000, and then which campaign you will assign it, this list, okay. Then set to yes, then you can load a list via Excel, okay. So here, so I have a blank here. So for example, you put an phone number, name, and then use a phone code, address, etc. Okay? So like the phone number is only sample. Okay, press 1. Phone code for the US, address, okay, then just copy. Okay, and then you can save the file. So you can save to CSV. Okay? This 042. Okay. After you save that, you can now ready go back to the list. So you have created a new list here, and then you can go to the list, then click to load leads. You can go to the select your list ID, phone code override. So if you don't have a phone code, so you can select this, but I have already, so I can choose custom. Um, if you want to check the duplicate phone, okay, so that they will not upload the duplicate, okay, then click submit. So once you submit, you can select here for the phone code, phone number, first name, last name, and the address. Okay, then submit. Okay, okay, process. So you have 10 good leads and 1 bad. Okay, so when you submit this one, you can now able to log into agent screen. So for that, because you need to configure, so going back here, so you need to configure your SOCO. So this is my SOCO. I need to create another account, zip account. For the host, just copy my phone extension name, space here. For the password, same. And for the domain and proxy, I can use my, you can select your Vicidial IP or public IP if you are on, so 54.179.146, and that, then next. So if Okay, so your account has been added, and then you can now okay. So here you have an agent. So once you log in, you need to hear the you only have in person or in contact. So for that, once you're able to log in now to your agent, so you need to hear the
You are currently the only person in this conference.
okay. Okay, so we have created now on our an agent, and you can able to log into our campaign. Okay, so next, our next is will be creating an we can modify our agent. Okay. I will go into edit my agent to use an web phone or the VG phone because this server is already ready for VG phone. So you need to set this one to web phone because I'm using by a NAT. I'm on NAT settings, so I have a public and I have a private and public IP. So this is my private IP. So I need to use this external server IP. And then from the template, you need to select two. So once you relog in your agent, okay, then submit the campaign, then submit, then allow. So she is connecting. Let's check. So just you need to wait a few because we need to we change our um, from zip account to web form. Okay, then just click continue. Okay, just relog out again. Then log in again. Okay, then submit. Okay, so see it's working fine. Okay, so now you can now ready to when you click here. So that's it. If you have a leads uploaded, system will automatically dial the available leads. Okay, and then if you want to change the status is one. You want okay. Okay, so that's one of the basic on how to create phone agent and campaign and upload it for your Vicidial server. So once again, this is HBT tutorial. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for your latest or the latest video that I will upload. Okay, so okay guys, thank you guys and have a nice day. I will do another video. Okay, thank you guys and bye bye.